morning. Happy Monday. Monday, 10th of June. 11:43 na guys ng umaga. Matagal kaming bumangon kasi holiday today. So, nandito si Daddy. Nandun sila sa lounge. And I'm stuck. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Kailangan ko mag-edit kasi wala akong video tonight. But, ayoko mag-edit. Kasi nandito si Dan. Lagi akong dinidisturbo niya. Bakit ka nag-edit? Mag-relax ka. Pero pwede naman. But yeah, anyway. I'm stuck. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin. Tapos walang open ng mga shops kasi ganyan yung holiday dito. Walang open na shops. Yogurt? What color? What color? What color? Blue? Blue yogurt. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Blue yogurt coming up. Ready? What do you say to mama? You're welcome, boy. Yeah, walang open na shops. Chinek ko nga kung open yung Kmart. Wala. Check ko lang yung Baby Bunting. Kasi, kailangan kong bumili ng mattress. Close yan, syempre. Kailangan naman mag-open sila, di ba guys? Open? Are you serious? They are open. Open talaga kayo? Yeah, kailangan kong bumili ng mattress para sa bassinet. Arlo! Give it to mama! Ay nako, making a mess ha? Silly boy. Itong batong to talaga, bail talaga to. Bail. Pagkatapos niya kainin yung yogurt niya, either sa floor, ginaganon niya guys. Ngayon sa table, paan ng table. Tapos si ate naman tagalinis. Ate, look at what Arlo did. He made a mess. The leg of the table, see? Can you see that? I know, can you wipe it please? Thank you ate. Kuha siyang pang wipe. Holiday pala kasi King's birthday. And alam niyo bang gusto sana pumunta ni Dan ngayon sa Coober PD? Siya na talaga ang nag-suggest na punta kami ng Coober PD. What? Up? Okay. Oh, heavy mo. Why? You sleepy? Huh? Maaga pa boy? You sleepy already? Huh? The guys. You want me to tickle? Yeah. Can I tickle my boy? Yes? What? Tickle my boy? Oh no, Spider-Man! 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 Spider-Man is so big! Spider-Man is so big and so strong. Spider-Man is so strong. Show the guys Spider-Man. Guys, look at my Spider-Man. So big, so strong. Like me. Oh, Daddy.
That's Spider-Man.
Daddy Spider-Man? Is Daddy a Spider-Man?
Yes.
Oh no, go to Daddy, go. Go.
Daddy.
So go show Daddy Spider-Man. Go, run, run. Go upstairs.
That's Spider-Man.
Nung Thursday, ata niya sinabi, punta tayong Coober PD. Nag-no ako agad kasi ang haba ng drive, guys. Tapos may mga bata kami. Gusto niya pumunta doon talaga. Nag-check talaga siya ng accommodation. Sabi ko, grabe ka naman. Di mo man lang ako binigyan ng mahaba-habang time na mag-isip. Pero yan, nag-no ako. Hindi siya pinaka-safe na puntahan. Lalo na kung may mga bata. Si Danny Boy talaga na Mars. Gusto niya ma-experience kasi meron silang mga underground accommodation doon. Gusto niya ma-experience. Sabi ko maya na kapag malaki na yung mga bata, wala sa lista natin yan sa ngayon. Tapos ngayon pa talaga na buntis yung asawa mo. Yeah, so now Monday na Monday, dito lang kami sa bahay. And hindi kami sanay. Lalabas kami mamaya for sure. Dadalhin siguro namin to sa playground yung mga bata. Pero wala ka masyadong options na gagawin. Kasi nga, close yung mga shops. Pag holiday talaga dito, close talaga. Close talaga sila. Merong mga open, yung mga grocery siguro. Petrol station, mga ganun. Ano naman gagawin natin? You alright? You sleepy, boy? Lunch muna, boy. Kakakain. Up, boy, up. No up, boy. No up lang for mommy lang. No up. I'm just gonna tickle my boy lang. Let's go upstairs. Let's go upstairs and play. Come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go play. Mommy can't carry. Sabi ko sa kanya, she needs to clean up if she wants to go to the playground. So now she's cleaning up because our house is a big mess. Big mess. What happened to my shoes? My slippers. Why is it on the table? Stuff everywhere. That's okay. Clean up. Clean up. Clean up. Na 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 na. Clean up. Oh, floor, apakadumi. Ang daming kalat. Tinanggal ni Daddy sa packaging yung ano nila, yung puzzle name nila. And mas makalat patuloy. Ayoko po man nang tanggalin. Alright, clean up ate. Come on. Buti na lang may nauutosan na tayo. Alright, come on. If you wanna go to the playground,
George wants to grow a dinosaur tree.
Yes.
I have to be my phone now.
You will bring your phone? Okay, you can bring your phone. Come on. The books go in here. Sus! Kinuntian na natin yung toys natin. Kalat-kalat pa din. Alright, here.
George,
Pick up all the toys on the floor, please.
I know. You can be really well.
Sige na.
Look, I'm a butterfly.
Nakasimula pa lang ng araw, apakakalat na. Sige na, because we can't go
George does not want to be a worm.
if the house is
He wants to be
messy.
a butterfly. George,
Yeah, so
when
we have to
I
clean
was
up,
a
okay?
little piggy,
Yeah.
I used to
Yeah.
like
Pick it up.
playing at being a worm. It's very easy to be a
You can put
worm.
that in a basket here.
I'll show you how. First,
What are you doing,
you
baby?
have to lie down on the
Well,
ground.
that's still the floor. You're still putting it on the floor.
Wriggle around.
First, put the toilet there, next to that basket.
Wriggly worm.
The toilet, put it next to the basket. Thank you.
They are having such fun being wriggly worms.
The toilet seat's here, baby.
Little butterfly. I'm a little butterfly.
Put it on. Thank you. Come on. Yeah, sige. Put it there.
I'm a butterfly.
Yes, Peppa, you're
Yan
a
lang natin siya.
beautiful butterfly.
Oh, nakabihis na siya eh.
George, what are you doing?
We
Sige.
are wriggly worms.
I'm a
Thank you, ate. The puzzles, you can put the puzzles on the table and I'll help you fix it.
I love you. There's worms.
Frogs do play
You got
games.
it! Ah, put it in Mommy's slippers.
Silly Peppa.
Right here, put this
What's
there.
your favorite game?
Thanks, baby. Oh, sorry. Ayla, can you put this in the rubbish place? Put that in the rubbish. Here, come on, babe. Thank you. Okay, thanks.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like
Ang cute nilang dalawa. Share sila sa isang apple.
I will watch this. I will watch this.
Watch ate daw.
What
Ate's
ate?
gonna do something. Oh, wow. Careful, Ayla. Alright, have a
I will
bite.
watch this. I can do one more again. Watch this,
Just be
Mommy.
careful, please. Yeah, I'm watching. Oh, wow.
But I can do one more thing.
Okay. Oh, wow. Ang
I
silly
I
ate.
can one more thing.
Okay. Oy! 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 Be careful. Alright, ate's turn. Ate's turn. Thank you. Good sharing.
Okay, sorry.
Ate sharing. Yeah. Apple yan ni ate eh.
I can do something nice.
Ito shinare niya kay Arlo. Tapos na sila mag-lunch. Dessert na yan nila. Oh, wow! Naglagay din ako ng bread sa toaster, tapos lagyan ko lang ng spread. Yeah, wala pang 12 guys, but maaga kasi yung dinner natin. Yung na-mention ko sa vlog kahapon, napunta tayong Genghis Khan.
I can do
It's
one
a
more.
Mongolian restaurant.
Oh,
Yung
what's this? I can do one more.
eat all you can na
What's this?
na Mongolian. Nakapunta na tayo doon maraming beses na, but sobrang tagal na nung last. And na-miss ko siya guys. Kasi masarap yun yung mga thinly sliced na mga meat.
What's this, Owl?
Go,
Owl,
Ayla.
What's this?
Sarap na ng kain ni Dudong.
What's this? Owl,
Careful with the
what's
seed,
this?
Arlo, ha?
What's this, Owl?
Ate wants you to watch her. Watch ate, look. See? The jumping ate.
Mom, I can do it higher.
You can do it higher. You're a big girl.
Mom, I can do it higher.
Share with ate.
Watch this, mommy.
Yep. Wow. Other side na, mate. Other side na. Yeah. Ano?
Watch this. I can
Sulit
do
na
it.
sulit ang apple ah.
Mom, I can
Yeah. Oh, you okay?
Spider-Man. Watch this,
Spider-Man.
mommy.
Yes, baby. Oh,
I
wow.
can do something like it sticks.
Okay. Oh, wow. Well done. You okay?
Mom, I can do
Ayla, can you get water, please? Paalo?
this.
You right?
This
Stop
water.
eating. Don't eat the seed.
This water.
Yung sabi ko wala pang 12. My gosh, 12:40 something na pala. Sabi ni Danoy, kumain ka. Kasi baka magutom ka ng alas 3. Kakain ka ng alas 3. Tapos hindi ka nagutumin ng alas 6. Kasi 6 yung booking namin eh. Nakala ko ang aga pa. Tayo na talaga. Kain tayo guys. Ito lang yung ladies choice. You wanna say hi to the guys? Okay.
Hi guys. We got some bum bum bed. This is bum bum bed. It says bum bum bed.
You alright, hello? Anong oras na guys? Time check. Late na guys. 5:41. Paalis na kami. Kakatapos lang. Well, hindi pa tapos kumain yung mga bata. Nag-dessert ng fruits. But, pinakain ko na sila kasi naghingi na ng pagkain. Tapos pupunta kami sa restaurant para kumain ng Mongolian food. Maganda to do. Tapos paubos na siya, tapos wala na siya. Meron pa ba nito? Chine ko sa style, wala na. Lipton, get it tint. I think this is from Etude House, but hindi. Wala. Baka hindi. Ganito yung itsura niya, oh. Akala ko from Etude House siya, pero baka hindi. Kasi wala nakalagay Etude House. Ang ganda niya kasi. Tagal-tagal na sa akin ito. Tapos konti na lang natira. It was indeed a lazy day for me. Well, for us. Si Dan at saka si Ayla, nakapag-park sila guys. Kami ni Arlo, we had a nap. Kasi si Arlo nagnanap, diba? Nung last clip nito, sabi ko wala pang 12. Wala pang 1 pala dapat. Tapos nap time na yun ni Arlo. So natulog kami habang si Dan at saka si Ayla nasa playground. Tapos hindi din ako nag-edit. Tapos oh my gosh, Ayla! You ha? Batang bael! Ate! You scared me! Silly Billy. Let's go. Ay, naku, ate. Ate, don't do that. Mommy has a baby in her belly. Sus. Hubag-hubagan. Mata ni mo, day. Silly cat. Oh my God. Ginagaya niya yung daddy niya. Yung daddy niya hindi naman, walang noise. Pag dumadaan lang si Dan, natatakot ako. Hindi naman natatakot. Parang nagaganon ba? Bigla lang kasi sumusulpo. Ay, nako. Uy, Ayla, wag ganyan, baby. Bagbaganta ni mo, day.
Wow!
You did a good job. You scared Mama so much. Hala! Waralo? More strawberry? Uy, wala na. No more. Sorry. Ang dami mo na kinain. Tama na, boy. We will eat at the restaurant. Okay? They have some good food there. Okay? Do you want apple? I can give you an apple. Huh? Strawberry.
Apple.
Apple. I can give you apple.
Apple.
Yes, apple, apple. This one, Alam? Apple? Ang cute ng apple. Maliit na apple yung lagi kong pinapabili kay Dan eh. Kasi perfect sa lunchbox ni Ayla. Tapos, perfect din para sa kanila. Guys, yung strawberry namin, kailan lang namin yun binili. Paubos na. Nagtira ako ng konti for bukas. Kasi wala nga shops na open. Para sa school ni Ayla.
Mommy.
Here, mommy. Mommy bite. Mommy bite the whole thing.
He's the metal cat. No. Mama.
Alright, bring Spider-Man.
Oh, where's the Bumble Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Wow!
Silly Billy. Do you need nappy change? Bro, change the nappy. Ayla, can you grab Alice nappy, please?
Yeah!
This one.
Oh! Yeah!
Just one nappy. Come on, Alo. Let's change nappy because we need to go na. Ang lapit lang ng ano, guys. Nung restaurant sa amin.
You do.
Ayla, bring toys. Oh my gosh, she scared me, Daddy. Yeah. It was a good one as well.
Good morning.
Good morning. Is it morning? Say hi, guys.
I got
Good morning.
good morning.
Say, I'm Kuya Alo.
The owl.
You're Kuya Alo.
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Is that T-Rex Spider-Man?
Hello. I'm Toya Owl. What are you?
It's Ate Ayla.
Hello, I'm Toya Owl.
Let me fix your pants. Come on. Pants. Fix pants. Ah. Ready? Yay. Ready, good? Wear shoes? Come on, let's go wear shoes. Oh, Ayla, careful, baby. Siya na talaga nag-water ng plants, guys. Lakaw na. Go to your daddy. Oh, look, daddy's here. Come on. She's watering the plants. Okay. Huh? It's not dying. Gusto mo lang mag-water eh. Tingnan yung outfit niya. Oh. May dress sa ilalim. May jumper. May leggings. Colorful socks. And princess shoes. But gusto niya yan eh. Alright, let's go. That is funny. Alo's like, what's that? It's Tita Lyra! Tita Lyra! Oh my gosh! Oh, naman ang reaction ng kids. Who is it? Tita Lyra! Excited ang mga bata.
How's that for timing?
Guys, paborito kong bread. Ang daming binigay. Mag-uuwi ako nito. Sarap nito. And they're here. Di ba? So, pumunta sila kahapon. Kami, di ba, pumunta kami Sabado. Sila pumunta kahapon. Tapos full din. You wanna see the fishy?
You want to see the fishy, Baba?
Tapos nagpabook din sila for today na hindi namin alam. So, nagkita lang kami
We
ngayon
didn't
lang.
realise it rained about
Oh, go see the fishy. You're big enough. We will watch you. Sarap nitong bread na to. Ay, ang init.
So the middle of the pack should have got 35 to 36 points. The winners got 33.
Kalamit yan.
I scored 26 to 20.
Dito na yung aking food. Pinili ko pork, tapos sinunod ko lang yung nakalista doon. Ay, marami pa pala sa gilid, Inday.
Yeah, meron mga sweet and sour.
Yeah, yung kinapi ko is yung garlic.
Ako nilalagay ko lang naman lahat.
Yeah? Kasi babalik pa ako eh. Char. Hinubad na yung jumper niya, guys. Nilamig. Nainitan.
Mainit naman.
Ayan na, okay lang sila mag-bread. Kasi tapos na sila kumain. Kain tayo, guys. Ang init, oh. Huh? I know, but last time it was open, but it was very busy. Yeah.
Yeah, we were here last night too, Bob. And it was busy.
Kasi ano na, lumabas na sila ng car, tapos bumalik kasi puno nga, kawawa nga. So napunta kami city. Kami na talaga ang nag-city ng ano ba yun? Friday night. Ay, Sabado din pala. Oh, Sabado nga. Kahapon kayo nagpunta. Kahapon, yeah, Sabado na kami.
What am I doing last night? We went here, but it was too busy.
Yeah.
So we went to the tower.
I know.
Same day talaga, 6 o'clock kami dumating.
Yeah.
Ang dami-daming tao.
Kami din, 6 din. Finish your bread, ate, ha?
Ang sarap ng bread. What's that? Ice? Need to see ba?
Try ko sweet and sour pork naman. Sundin ko lang yung nasa taas. Ayun ay. Kanina yung tinry ko ano eh. Garlic pork yan. Ang ganda tingnan nung may pa-smoke. Laki ng exhaust nila. Oh. Ayan, lulutuin nila kuya dyan, guys. Tapos pwede kang bumalik-balik ng unlimited. Yeah, ilang beses ka balik. Si Dan usually nakakaano eh. Minsan nakakatatlo. Mostly 2 beses. Ako 2 lang kaya ko. Tapos yung pangalawa, konti na lang. Bye! Bye!
See you. Ingat.
Yeah, I know. Surprise, surprise.
Over here, I thought you.
Behind the corner, see there's a monster there. No, that corner. I look behind that corner.
Is there a monster? Si Ayla na talaga ang tinanggal yung jumper niya.
Behind that corner. Come on.
Go, 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 go. Check. Go, Alo. Si Arlo. It's a monster daw.
Monster. Okay, come on, let's go.
Is there a moon outside?
You want the pram in your car?
Yes, please. Thanks, Daddy. Watch out, Alo. Watch out. Thanks, Daddy. Forgot about that. I'm not picking up Ayla tomorrow anyway, so. But Nana's picking you up tomorrow. Nana wants to pick you up. Yeah. Thanks, Daddy. You wanna bring all that in the shower?
Yeah.
Give me my bread, B. May dala-dala. Dinala ko yung natirang bread. Yeah. 2. Thank you. Uy, uy, uy! Agoy! 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 That's okay.
There's little crumbs down there.
Meal time. Alo, take off your shoes. Oh my gosh, busog na busog ako. Punong-puno yung tiyan ko. Hindi ko na alam kung ilang bread yung ano ko, guys. Naubos ko. Ang dami nun.
No, Mommy. This is for our hair.
Huh?
This is for our hair.
For your hair, it's a scarf.
No.
It goes on your... Okay, up to you. Wait, let me just drink my vitamins and then we'll go take a shower.
You got my shoes on. Yeah, let me take your shoes off.
Here, drink your milk, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Arlo, milk time.
Milk time.
More. Hello, milk, come here. My gosh, punong-puno yung tiyan ko. Oh my goodness. I am, ilang ano na ako ngayon? 25 weeks? Monday ngayon, di ba? 25 weeks. Sa laki ng tiyan ko, sabi nila, baby is as big as an eggplant. Alright, come on, milk now, so we can go. He got hurt, yeah, he's injured.
Fight, Daddy.
Ayaw niya mapasuklay kasi big girl na daw siya. I love it. Beautiful. Alright. It's very long, baby. It's getting there. Sus, buyag-buyag. Ay! Alo's ready as well. Ready for bed. Ang cute ng pajamas na yan.